6202. Help protect your loved ones and get the healthy indoor air that you deserve today.
Women's Heart is in a race to save lives. Heart disease is the #1 killer of women. It's 80% preventable if you know the facts. Millions of women are living with or at risk of different types of heart disease, like AFib, which is a type of irregular heartbeat. It affects both women and men, but women with AFib have a higher risk of stroke and death than men. Get educated. See your doctor. Know the facts. Diet and exercise are key to staying healthy. Know the risks. Women's Heart does something really unique, solely focusing on women and providing peer-to-peer support. To win this race, we all have to do it together. Our hearts beat as one. To learn more, visit womenheart.org.
I used to get frequent heartburn at night, so I made Prilosec OTC part of my morning routine.
With just one pill, Prilosec OTC prevents excess acid production, blocking heartburn all day and night. It's possible while taking Prilosec OTC. Use as directed for 14 days to treat heartburn, not for immediate relief.
Back to Emeryville we go. Frank Munich with a traffic. And back we go to this accident involving at least 5 cars westbound 80 before Powell Street. Some very good news. All lanes have reopened as of about minutes ago. We had the 4 left lanes shut down by that injury crash, but we still have quite a backup. We're looking at a solid backup of virtually stopped traffic back to University Avenue in Berkeley. Again, that crash westbound 80 or Powell Street in Emeryville has just now cleared. In Oakland, northbound 13, just before or just past the 580 split, we have a 2-car crash still sticking out into the 2 right lanes. Your next update at 12:08 on the traffic leader, KCBS. Partly to mostly cloudy overnight with areas of fog and a chance of drizzle at the coast. Lows upper 50s and 60s. Tomorrow, partial clearing at the coast. Becoming sunny near the bay. Inland highs upper 60s at the coast, 70s along the bay, mid-80s inland. It's almost Sunday, August 7th, 2022. CBS.
I'm Alice Wirtz. In the East Bay, a big turnout for a morning hike with a congressional.
And I'm Keith Benconi on what it'll take to get the monkeypox outbreak contained.
I'm hoping for containment by October.
And it's the middle of the night in Washington, D.C., but the U.S. continues to debate the Inflation Reduction Act. I'm Peter Finch. CBS News covers the world next.